everybody. Today we're going to be making some jalapeno and cheddar sausages. So simple, so easy, amazing. You're going to love it. Okay, so what we're going to do to get started on this pork shoulders, we're going to remove the outer skin. We're going to take our boning knife and we're just going to slowly work our way through till we remove it. Now that the skin is removed, we need to get that bone out. I'm going to make a cut down the middle until I touch that bone. I'm going to take my boning knife and just slowly let it guide me down that bone. Now you can use any boning knife that you'd like. You can use a straight edge, you can use a curved one. I've even used a fillet knife, whatever you feel comfortable with. Just do it, and safety is number one priority here. Alright, now that the bone is removed, what we want to do is move on to the next step and start cutting it into smaller portions. If you're using a 1/2 horsepower grinder, I would recommend cutting it into 1 to 2 inch cubes. If you're using something like a 1 horsepower grinder, I would cut it into strips. It just saves you a little bit more time. Okay, so once you're done cutting your meat into cubes or strips, I recommend chilling the meat for at least 1 hour before you start grinding it. You want to keep that meat as cold as possible at all times. What we're using is a high temperature cheese, and what that means is it stays solid at a higher temperature. If you were to use just regular block cheese, it would pretty much just piss out the other end when you're cooking it. We don't want that, we want something where we're able to taste it. Okay, so once you're done mixing, it's very important for this next step. What we need to do is we need to take a little bit, we need to sample it. So we're going to cook it up and make sure that all the spices are to our liking. If not, this is the stage where you want to add more spices in. Alright, let's give this jalapeno cheddar a try. Oh wow, this is really good. You're gonna love this. Okay, so to form your links, what you want to do is you want to press down a little firmly, and then you want to twist one direction, press down, twist the next direction until all your links are done. as you can see, the cheese is still intact here. Alright, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. I wouldn't want you to miss any new videos that are coming out. If there's something you want to see more of or you want something explained, leave me a comment. I'm really good at getting back really quickly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.